Top 5 Best Steering Wheel Locks 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Small, light, and installs in seconds. This KAYCENTOP steering wheel lock provides quick, easy anti-theft protection. It's flexible, practical, and multifunctional, securing your steering wheel or seatbelt. It fits most vehicles, SUVs, and golf carts with a max 17-inch length. Plus, you get 3 keys. But there's no manufacturer spare key service, so you'll need to keep those 3 keys safe. Ultimately, it's a solid, practical choice for portable car security. Number 2. The pure copper lock cylinder is a key security upgrade here. It's made from high-quality steel, resisting lock-picking and violent unlocking. You get scratch-free protection from its soft rubber sleeve, fitting steering wheels 7 to 15.7 inches. Installation and storage are easy. Just be sure to measure your steering wheel's inner diameter first. Remember, keep the 3 cross keys safe. No spares are provided for this CARTMAN anti-theft device. Overall, it's a dependable, easy-to-use security solution for your car. Number 3. Its 130 decibel alarm is a major deterrent. This steering wheel lock with alarm uses micro-motion induction, so a slight vibration sets off a loud, panic-inducing sound. It's built tough with heat-treated steel, making it resistant to sawing and cutting. The all-copper lock cylinder resists drilling, making it hard to destroy. Installation is quick. Just turn your wheel 180 degrees, snap it on, and lock it. But check the T-Lock's 15.5 to 17.7-inch extended length. A loose fit is normal if your steering wheel is smaller. This anti-theft car safety device physically blocks steering and screams when disturbed. Overall, it's a solid choice for strong deterrence. Number 4. The Club 3000's twin hook design is tougher for thieves to defeat. This makes it a standout among steering wheel locks. It offers universal fit for cars, vans, and SUVs. Its high-visibility yellow deters theft, and you get improved lock housing for strength. Plus, it locks with one pull, keyless, for easy use. Now, while that yellow color is great for deterrence, some might prefer a less conspicuous option. Still, for basic vehicle security, it's a solid, visible deterrent. Number 5. Emergency glass breaker built in. That's a standout feature for the Tevlaphee steering wheel brake lock. This anti-theft device isn't just about security, it also doubles as an escape tool. It's made from excellent aluminum, alloy, and steel, designed to resist cutting, prying, and sawing. Plus, it features a double lock cylinder for enhanced security. You'll even get adhesive tapes to protect your steering wheel. This lock fits most cars, trucks, or SUVs where the steering wheel to brake distance is 22.8 to 33.5 inches, so measure yours. It's a robust, easy-to-use solution for adding peace of mind to your vehicle's security. Thanks for watching Best Steering Wheel Locks. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.